I think working in a small town, it's more friendly. People always come say hello to you, get to know everybody that's around. I've worked in a big city in the UK and the patient come in, they go, and you probably would never see them again. Here in Kitimat, everyone knows everybody, which is a good thing. And you end up, let's say your patients come in, you know their families, everyone's friendly, they say hello when you're in the grocery stores. So yeah, everyone makes us feel really welcome. It's great diverse work. We see anything from an acute stroke all the way through just to the general ankle sprain. So there's a lot of variety, we're not just stuck in one area. I like this space because it's pretty open and everything's within 10 minutes, so you don't have to go far for fishing, or if you want to go hiking you can do it straight from your house. You play hard and then you work hard as well. So we're pretty busy in the hospital, but then there's loads of time after 4:30 to do lots of outdoor activities. There's hiking, fishing, kayaking, golfing, all within 2 minutes of your house. I tell someone who was thinking of moving to Kitimat that everyone should come to Kitimat because it's great. Lots to do.